All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to talk about a super simple but really powerful way to find and cancel all those little hidden monthly fees that are probably draining your bank account without you even noticing.
I mean, seriously, think about that for a second. We're all busy, right? It's so easy to just assume our monthly bills are all in order. But what if they're not? What if there are these little money leaks just dripping away that you've completely forgotten about? You know the one I'm talking about, the gym membership. You signed up back in January with all the best intentions in the world. But now, it's just a monthly charge for a place you haven't seen in months. It's probably one of the most common money drains out there.
Or how about this one? There's a brand new show everyone's buzzing about, so you sign up for a new streaming service. You binge the whole season in a weekend, and then totally forget that you're still paying for it month after month. Sound familiar? I bet it does.
And the classic trap. The free trial for some app or service that, of course, needed your credit card info just for verification. You forget to cancel it by one day and bam! It's quietly turned into a full-on subscription. These things are designed to be forgotten. That whole set it and forget it idea starts working against you, and that's exactly the problem we're going to solve today. So how do we actually fight back against this subscription creep? Well, it's not some big, complicated thing. The solution is actually super straightforward and, believe me, incredibly effective. We call it a subscription audit. Now, don't let that name scare you off. It sounds way more official than it is. It's really just a simple, methodical process of taking back control by hunting down every single one of those automatic payments that are flying out of your account. And why should you even bother? Because the payoff can be huge. We're not talking about pinching pennies here. Some studies show that the average person can waste hundreds of dollars a year on subscriptions they don't even use. That's a weekend trip, a new phone, or just a much healthier emergency fund. Okay, so let's get to the good part, the how-to. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to do your own audit. It's way easier than you think. See? It all boils down to just 3 simple actions: find, decide, and cancel. That's it. That's the whole game plan. You don't need any complex software or financial know-how, just these 3 powerful steps. First things first, find. Your mission here is to become a detective. Grab your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements. Go through them line by line and just highlight anything that even looks like a recurring payment. Don't judge anything yet, just find it. Look for those tiny charges from companies you don't even recognize. Okay, once you have your list, it's time for step 2, decide. For every single item on that list, you have to ask yourself 2 brutally honest questions. First, do I actually use this? And I mean now, not I might use it someday. And second, do I really need it? Does it add real value to my life? If the answer to either of those questions is no, it's gotta go.
And now for the final and honestly the most satisfying step of all, cancel. The key here is to do it immediately. Don't put it off till later. For every subscription you decided to cut, go to their website, log into your account, and find that cancel or unsubscribe button. Sometimes they try to hide it in the settings, but trust me, it's there. Be ruthless.
And just like that, you did it. You've sealed up all those little financial leaks. So let's talk about the payoff. What does all this actually mean for you? Let this sink in. You can literally save hundreds of dollars a year with just a single afternoon of work. Think about that return on your time. You put in an hour or 2 of focused effort, and you get paid back all year long, every single month. It's an absolutely incredible feeling. So, I'll leave you with this question. Once you do your own subscription audit and you free up all that extra cash, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to put it towards a big goal, invest it, or maybe just treat yourself to something you actually want? The choice is all yours, and it starts the moment you decide to take back control.